Let me ask you this. So you're upset, you think that I am attacking Islam.
You're using the word jihadists in a derogatory manner.
In what way?
Like your tone, everything about it, just it shows animosity.
Where did I misrepresent Islam?
When you want to, there is a term in Arabic, I don't know what's the translation, but when you want to mock them, you say jihadists.
But where did I misrepresent Islam? I use the term jihadi. I understand and I agree. I'm not saying you're lying. In that I use the term.
What do you mean by that?
I'm asking you, where did I misrepresent Islam?
I didn't say you misrepresented Islam. I say you are attacking Islam.
How did I attack Islam?
You're misrepresenting the...
Yeah, in other words, you're saying I'm
the
misrepresenting.
validation of the Quran.
Sure.
Everyone knows.
So you are
that.
saying I'm misrepresenting Islam. That's what you said right now. I'm misrepresenting. Now I'm asking you, how did I misrepresent Islam?
By not giving the full...
In relation to the word jihadist, how did I misrepresent Islam?
You're using it in a derogatory manner.
In what way?
When you know that the word clearly means to struggle for the sake of God, and
I'll give you a simple idea.
To mock these people.
Okay, listen
It's
to
not
me.
fair, brother.
My dear, no, please listen. What's your name?
I have to go.
But let me quickly say this. Do you know how many times the word jihadi or jihad appears in the Quran? Do you know?
I'm not sure.
If you don't know, this is, in other words, you don't know, I do know. Because you're trying to tell me the meaning of jihad, and I will teach you what the meaning of...
But I'm an Arab. I know the word.
Doesn't,
You don't know. You're not Arabic.
But please listen to me. I'm talking about the Quran right now. Are you familiar with the occurrences of the word jihad or its derivatives in the Quran?
Not every single time it's mentioned.
Not every, but roughly. I'll tell you something. In the Quran, entirely in relation to Muslims, in relation to non-Muslims, the word appears a handful of times, less than a handful of times. Where it says the non-Muslims are, jihading for this, jihading for that, and that sort of stuff. In relation to the Muslims, the word appears around 40 times. The word jihad,
can I ask a question?
And its derivatives appears for about 40 times.
Can I ask a question?
No, once. Appears for about 40 times. Do you know the overwhelming evidence from studying carefully all of these occurrences is very simple. The word jihad is meant to mean one thing and one thing alone. Please listen. But please listen to me. Please listen to me. One thing and one thing alone, which is engaging in physical conflict against non-Muslims to bring them down. That's what it means. Based on what I know in English, in biblical terminology, we call this a word study. Studying the occurrence of the word in every place it shows up, in the Quran. I've done this and I'm telling you, haven't done this, that's fine. When you go home, you can. When you go home, you can. Around 40 occurrences, the overwhelming meaning of the word is clear, which is physical conflict against non-Muslims
All right, but you said
to bring them down. That's what the word means. In other words, what you would see as what you might have seen. In other words, what you might have seen. Don't come in. Look at it. Look at this jihadi again. Look at this jihadi. He comes into my personal space, and we come into my personal space.
Come into speaker's corner.
Give me personal space. Don't be angry. Learn manners. This is speaker's corner. Excuse me, sir. Now you've come into my personal space again. You see what they do?
How much did you buy your personal space? You're paying rent.
It's called a human right in the UK. Clearly, we live in the UK, which you might not be aware. We're not living in Pakistan. We're not living. It's free to have human rights in the UK.
Is it?
Yes, it is.
How much did you pay?
You are a Muslim, and therefore you might not understand. But what I've said is, you came into my personal space, and I moved away. I am going to be wary of you in the future. Never ever do this again. This is what they do. I was speaking. No, not interested.
No, but it's a conversation.
I was speaking to you. Do you see why? But my dear friend, do you see why I avoid some people at Speakers Con? This is why I avoid some people. Abdullah, I know him by name, and I've been avoiding him for a while now because this is criminal in the UK, comes into my personal space
Where is it?
and
Mind your
pushes
bedroom.
me.
Where is it?
And so did this gentleman.
Where is it? Where's the border?
From where I moved away. That's where. From where I moved away.
Okay.
Do you remember him
When
coming
you're
to my
going a bus,
personal
keep your
space?
hands When you're going a bus.
Excuse me,
keep
sir.
your hands to yourself.
I have tried
You're
moving
coming to my
away.
personal space.
I have tried. You have come into my personal space.
Move your hands
He
away.
doesn't know who has come into whose personal space. Now, clearly, mafia gang members. The gentleman there, at least he is a sensible man, reasonable,
But you didn't allow him
friendly.
to speak.
That gentleman,
You didn't allow him to speak.
and look at what he is. Don't come into my personal space.
Where's the boundary
Look
of
at
the
what
personal
these
space?
guys do. Criminals. These are proper criminals
the line.
whose tactic at Speaker's Corner is intimidation,
Are you intimidated?
consistent,
Mind the line, Bush.
consistent. Yeah, behind the line. Now this is what we have to do. Too much of jihad, too much of Islam. That today at Speaker's Corner we have to draw a line and teach them there is such a thing called in a personal space and keep back. Now to you, I have respect. I'm not coming. Look at him. I'm not. Look at him.
That's a criminal offense. Call the police and.
I don't want to. The police. I don't want to.
Police.
Excuse me, sir. There
You
are
ever
many.
travel on a bus? You ever travel on a train or plane? What is the measurement of what is the
Look
law
at
defined
him.
as
Try
personal
this in a bus. Try this in a bus where there is plenty of space. Someone is standing somewhere. Move into his personal space. See what he tells
Because he
you.
says so?
See what he tells you.
Because he says so?
Don't, my dear friend, don't never listen to these fellows. Look at him. I'm repeatedly trying to move away. Where? Please.
So let me
For
ask
us,
you a question.
for us,
Are you
look
a
at
victim
how
of
far
crime?
they have come back in. Can you see? Can you see? Please stay behind the border. Thank you. The gentleman there, at least look at him.
Yeah. So are you
They
a victim
not
of
alone.
crime?
They not alone.
Are
And
you a victim? Yeah, he's a victim. He's a victim. He's a victim. Are you a victim? Are you a victim?
all right. Thank you.
Do you need a hug? Do you want
The
to have
gentleman
a
there. The gentleman there,
Interested in having a
at
conversation?
the least, was reasonable.
Because
He
was
asked
listening to you.
me, why
interested, he's
do
reasonable.
I use
We
the
had a
word
conversation.
jihad in an inappropriate, in a derogatory manner, is what he
He's
said.
Arab.
Now,
He's
I
Arab.
have tried speaking to him and he has been trying to engage with me.
No, he's
And
been
I've
listening
given
to
him
you.
a
He's not
simple
engaging.
summary.
He's only been listening.
And what I have done is very simple. I have been consistent with the Quran. Firstly, the Quran expects every Muslim to be a jihadi.
Okay.
So, when anyone reads the Quran,
Okay.
you should know that every one of us who reads the Quran can call a Muslim a jihadi.
100%.
Because that's what the Quran says.
Right.
So I am entitled to call any Muslim a jihadi, number one.
Yes.
Because the Quran says so.
Right. 100.
Number two.
Okay.
Number two. Look at him. Look at him. Look at him.
Yeah, that's for the cameras.
Number two.
You have to be close to the camera.
The Quran also defines what jihad is.
Okay.
The Quran uses the word jihad or one of its derivatives 3 or 4 times in the entire Quran in relation to non-Muslims.
That's what he
About non-Muslims, it says stuff like, you know, these non-Muslims are jihading in this way, jihading in that way, and so on. You can ignore those because they are in relation to non-Muslims. About the Muslims, the word jihad or one of its derivatives is used around 40 times.
Yeah, but you said
40, about 40, just under 40. I think 39 or 38, I can't remember
What's the root
the
word?
exact
What's
count.
the derivative?
39 or 38 times
What's the original root word?
about Muslims in the Quran. And you read through them carefully and find out what it means.
so his target is
The overwhelming evidence is simple.
in Speaker's Corner.
Jihad means physical violence against non-Muslims, which the Muslims are mandated to engage in against the non-Muslims because you are cowards. Non-Muslims are supposed to. Excuse me, please.
Bro, where's my chocolate?
Please listen.
Where's my flowers?
Please listen.
Where's my
Please.
box of chocolate?
Please listen.
Yeah, but why we not?
Look
having
at these fellows.
Where is my box of
Look at
chocolates?
these. Look at these mafia gang jihadi
I just
ringleaders
want my box of chocolates.
who have encroached into my personal space again.
Conversation.
Where is
Jihad
chocolates?
means
Why are you having a
personal
conversation?
violence,
said that 100
physical
times.
violence
You said that
against
100 times.
non-Muslims
Let's have a conversation.
by the Muslims to bring down the non-Muslims by physical force.
Where's my chocolate?
Many times it involves taking their lives, chopping their heads off, doing terrible things to them. Who says so? Not me, but the Quran.
We want to have a conversation.
I am not interested in speaking to criminals.